Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Infor off-campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the first thing is the job role or the job title. So it is for associate software engineer, and the job of the work location it is Bangalore, and the salary or the CTC, so the starting salary it is 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers. So the next thing is the education or the qualification needed. So the BE or BTech graduates as well as ME or MTech or even MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the experience, so 0 to 2+ years of experience, so those are all eligible to apply for this particular job role. And the streams eligible is like computer science, information technology, so electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering. So these streams are eligible to apply for this particular job role. And the preferred qualification, you need to have experience with multi-tenant systems, and also you need to effectively articulate some technical challenges and solutions. So the tech stack or the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so you need to have strong knowledge on Java programming and various Java tools, and you need to have knowledge of various Java best practices, and you need to have hands-on on Eclipse IDE, and also you need to have experience in building complex business applications using relational databases. It can be Oracle or SQL Server, and also you need to have good working knowledge of SQL, JDBC and ORM, and it is good to have knowledge with web services like SOAP and RESTful APIs, and also hands-on experience with web frameworks like JavaScript and all, and experience with creating XML, XSD or JSON. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So then coming to the selection process, there are 4 different rounds. So the first round, it will be initial phone interview, so phone call interview, in which your personal details are collected and also your communication skills are tested. So once you clear that, you will get the mail for the next round, that is assessment, so technical assessment test. So once you clear that, third round will be the technical interview, and the last round will be the general discussion or the HR interview. So these are the 4 rounds which are included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, first step is you need to upload your updated resume. So make sure that you update the skills whatever they have mentioned. You can add that Java skills, database skills and some frameworks, and if you are good in JavaScript and microservices, so do add that. And if you have done any of the certifications, so you can mention those in your resume and upload your resume. So you can directly upload your resume, or you can apply through Indeed or apply through LinkedIn. So there are various options, so you can choose accordingly. And after that, so second step is you need to fill your general information, your first name, your last name, your position title, if you are working in any of the company, and you need to mention all the details, your phone number, then work experience you can add that. And the next thing is your education details and the languages, so whichever languages you know, you can add that. And lastly, you just need to click continue and submit the application form. So you can complete all the form and submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.